I've had at least one child enrolled at Eton School since the year 2000. That's when my family first moved to Washington. Madeline graduated in 2009 and Jack is now an 8th grader.
My name is Madeline Orton. I went to Eton School from kindergarten through 8th grade. When I left Eton School, I was a well-rounded student in every area and was curious to learn more, curious to move forward into high school, to take the things that I learned and to continue to excel.
It was important that my children loved to learn, that they were excited about life. Eton is a magical place. The staff here embrace all kinds of learners. My children were very different learners. They both had such different styles, and yet Eton worked so well for both of them on so many levels.
One thing that really did stand out for me was that the older children helped to teach the younger children. I thought that was huge. I think that's also been a great factor in helping my son develop his leadership abilities.
Staying through 8th grade gave them such a great foundation, and not only a foundation, but an excitement about learning and a passion for learning, and they were so well prepared. Eton gave both my daughters such a great foundation, just that ability to say, I can do this.
I don't think I fully appreciated just how fantastic the preparation had been until Maddie graduated from Eton School and then went on to high school.
After Eton School, I went just around the corner to Interlake High School, where I did International Baccalaureate program, and then applied to about 6 schools. I applied to Cornell, Whitman, Reed, University of Puget Sound, Seattle U, and American University of Paris. I got in everywhere, but ultimately decided to come to Seattle U. I want to prosper wherever I go, and in Eton School, I had a lot of opportunities to hone in on my own skills and gain confidence in the things that I do. I am a huge advocate of Eton School. It really comes down to my own experience, but also the experience I've watched my brother have. Both of us are different people, different learners with different personalities, and yet Eton School has always been able to cater to both of our needs.
Just about a year ago, one of the upper school administrators told me, you know, I think of Jack as kind of a quiet leader, and I thought, oh, that's exactly it. Look how far he's come.